These are WH-1000XM3 Sony headphones with a very common problem. The little slider here is broken, and really you can't use the headphones anymore because it doesn't, apply the right pressure to your ear, to your head to keep the headphone in place. People tape these up. People put zip ties on them. I'm going to show you a real cheap, easy repair. Just needing a little bit of super glue to make this thing look really good. Doesn't make it absolutely 100% brand new looking, but does the trick. You can buy complete repair kits. These two pieces for it. It's a little bit more work, a little bit more expensive. I think it's like $30, $40. If you're in another country, by the time you pay for shipping from the US, it's probably going to run up to like $60, $70, $80. So this is a pretty good repair if you want something that gets the job done and looks pretty good. For this repair, I'm using a gel super glue because I don't want it to run down onto this thing, which is how you adjust it up and down. If it gets in there and runs on the little runner rail in there, you're going to lose that and you won't be able to adjust it up and down. So gel kind of stays in place better. And I'm going to have a toothpick handy to spread that super glue out. There is a little bit of a ridge in there, which is handy because it kind of gets the glue in there and keeps it from going too far in. So now with my gel super glue, I'm going to run a bead of super glue along there on both sides. I'm going to take a toothpick and kind of spread it out a bit. Then I'm going to push these two pieces together. They click a little bit together. Then I'm going to take some nail polish remover, clean the super glue that squeezes out off both sides. Okay, so that came together pretty well. Just check and make sure. Didn't get any super glue inside there, so this thing still works. I'm going to get a couple of paper clip kind of clamps and put them on there just to hold it together. Don't have a lot of super glue on the outside of it, so I haven't messed up a lot of the plastic. All in all, pretty strong there. And I got a couple of paper clips on there. Just leave that for a couple of hours to completely dry, and should be good. If you have a fan, you can put this in front of a fan, and what that does is super glue will tend to off-gas and create kind of a whitish layer fog on the plastic. Put it in front of a fan, that kind of blows away the off-gassing and you don't get that. I should mention this is a one-way repair. Once you do this, you're not going to get this little slider area apart again, short of breaking it. But it gets you functional headphones again, and should you ever need to or want to get it apart because you're going to put, a full brand new replacement set of sliders on there, you just take a razor knife and you pry it apart easy enough. Thanks for watching.